Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am finally back with another tutorial. Right now I'm just showing different makeups that I buy when I go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, wherever they sell makeup, Walmart, and I just pick them up. I just get different colors for different skin tone complexions for my clients. If your hair is long, what you're going to do is braid your hair going straight back. In my scenario, my hair is a short little afro. What I'm doing right now is just using makeup that's closest to my skin complexion and putting around the very tip of my hairline. And right now I'm showing a lighter makeup foundation. And I'm going to use that on the remaining part of the cap that I didn't put the dark one, because you want to mimic your scalp. The very front, you want it to mimic your actual skin. But the back, you want it to look like your actual scalp. So I'm using a lighter color. Now what I'm doing is using the Got To Be spray. And you're going to spray it up. Don't be afraid to spray. And you just want to smooth it in to your skin and smooth it onto your hair, because you want this to mold to your head, because this is going to be your brand new scalp. The next step would be to blow dry it. I have an actual dryer that I sit under, but YouTube is very hard and I'm trying so hard with you guys, so I wanted to make moving the camera as least as possible, as simple as possible. So now what I'm doing is cutting the extra piece of the cap off. And you want to be very precise with this. Don't cut too much off, but you don't want to leave too much on. You just want to cut around your hairline, the same area where you put the makeup at. Let the makeup be your guide. After this step, the next thing that you're going to do is get a concealer cream that's as well the closest to your skin complexion. This is a handmade wig from my collection, also known as Jackie's Butterfly Garden, and this is 4 bundles of 30-inch and a 20-inch frontal. This is raw virgin hair in the pattern curly. Look how well the lace melts, and it's not even applied yet. But I use the bow hole cream, and you can order it from thehairdiagram.com. In my opinion, that's the best glue, because it's very, very simple to use, and it gives precise instructions. The instructions say to use 5 coats, I believe, but I only use 2 or 3. I don't keep my wigs on very long. So what you're going to do is get a popsicle stick or your finger and just smooth it out very, very thin. And once you see that it's clear, it's time to apply another coat. You don't want to wait too long in between, or the glue will get too dry and it won't stick at all. So you see how it's clear now? That's how you know it's done drying. Then you're just going to pull down tightly and pull the lace into the glue. What you're going to do after that step is cut the extra lace off. So you're going to go around your ear and just cut the lace off. Now you're going to start to cut the lace off in a zigzag direction. You don't want to cut it straight across, because if you cut it straight across, it's going to look like a wig. Cutting it in a zigzag pattern gives you a more natural look. I either use scissors or the eyebrow razor cutters, and I'm going to demonstrate both. Whichever one is easier for you to use it. What I'm showing now is taking out the baby hairs. You're going to take out just a thin layer of the very, very front of the hairline and take those out, and those will be your baby hairs. And all that I'm spraying on my hair is just water and conditioner mixed in a spray bottle together. Look how good the lace looks. The wig is on, it's not gonna fall off. And here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this.